the benefits of extra light olive oil, and why it's a game changer. Discover the incredible benefits of extra light olive oil and how it can transform your cooking and overall health. From heart health to weight management, this versatile oil is a must-have in every kitchen. Learn how to use it in your daily routine to enhance the flavor of your meals while boosting your well-being. Ready to unlock the magic of extra light olive oil? Watch now and elevate your culinary skills and health. Welcome to Premium Health Harbor, where we explore the best tips and tricks for a healthier you. Today, we're diving into a secret ingredient that will revolutionize your kitchen and your health: extra light olive oil. Whether you're cooking, baking, or simply dressing a salad, this versatile oil is your ticket to both delicious meals and a healthier lifestyle. So let's unlock the magic of extra light olive oil together. Number 1. Heart health. First up, let's talk about heart health. Extra light olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels. By incorporating this oil into your daily diet, you can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Its beneficial properties make it a smart choice for maintaining a healthy heart. Research has shown that extra light olive oil can significantly benefit heart health. A study published by the American College of Cardiology found that higher olive oil intake is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, CVD, and coronary heart disease, CHD. Specifically, consuming more than half a tablespoon of olive oil daily was linked to a 14% lower risk of CVD and an 18% lower risk of CHD. Another study highlighted that replacing unhealthy fats like butter with olive oil can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Additionally, a randomized trial indicated that both high and low usage of extra virgin olive oil in a diet can lower bad cholesterol, LDL-C levels, which is a key marker for heart disease. These findings underscore the heart protective benefits of incorporating extra light olive oil into your diet. Imagine the power of this simple change in your diet. Next, number 2, high smoke point. Let's explore why extra light olive oil is perfect for high heat cooking. Thanks to its high smoke point, it's ideal for frying, sautéing, and baking. You won't have to worry about burning your food, and you'll get a perfectly cooked dish every time. Its stability at high temperatures ensures that your food cooks evenly without burning, making it a versatile and reliable option for various cooking methods. Whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry or baking a delicious cake, extra light olive oil can handle the heat, enhancing the flavor and texture of your dishes. Research indicates that extra light olive oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high heat cooking. According to the International Olive Oil Council, extra virgin olive oil, which includes extra light varieties, can withstand frying temperatures between 185 degrees centigrade to 210 degrees centigrade without breaking down. This stability ensures that it remains a reliable option for frying, sautéing, and baking, maintaining its beneficial properties even at high temperatures. Number 3. Antioxidant rich. Did you know that extra light olive oil is packed with antioxidants? These powerful compounds fight free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry highlights the strong antioxidant properties of olive oil, making it an essential addition to your diet for combating oxidative stress and promoting overall health. Number 4. Weight management. Struggling with weight management? Extra light olive oil might be the ally you need. It helps promote a feeling of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake. The healthy fats in extra light olive oil are digested slowly, keeping you satisfied for longer periods and curbing the urge to snack between meals. A study published in the journal Obesity found that participants who included olive oil in their diet experienced greater weight loss compared to those who consumed other types of fats. This is because the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can boost metabolism and improve fat oxidation. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your meals, you can enjoy its delicious flavor while supporting your weight management goals. Its ability to keep you full longer and its metabolic benefits make it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. So add a touch of this magic oil to your meals and enjoy the benefits for your waistline. Number 5. Skin benefits. Extra light olive oil is not only great for your heart and weight management, but also offers significant benefits for your skin. This oil is an excellent natural moisturizer that nourishes and softens your skin. The antioxidants in olive oil help reduce the signs of aging by combating free radicals that cause skin damage. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that the application of olive oil can improve skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your skincare routine, you can enjoy its moisturizing properties and its ability to fight the visible signs of aging. This makes it an excellent natural option for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. So why not add it to your skincare routine? Number 6. Digestive health. Good digestion is the cornerstone of good health, and extra light olive oil can help. It promotes healthy digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently. Additionally, the healthy fats in olive oil can ease constipation by lubricating the intestinal tract, making it easier for stool to pass. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that olive oil can be an effective remedy for constipation, particularly in patients undergoing dialysis. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your diet, you can support your digestive system and maintain regular bowel movements. This makes it a valuable addition to your daily routine for overall digestive health. Number 7. Bone health. Did you know that extra light olive oil can also strengthen your bones? The polyphenols in this oil have been shown to enhance bone density and strength, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals who consumed olive oil had higher levels of osteocalcin, a marker of bone formation, indicating better bone health. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your diet, you can support your bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, making it a valuable addition to your overall health regimen. So, add extra light olive oil to your diet and keep your bones strong and healthy. Number 8. Diabetes management. For those managing diabetes, extra light olive oil is a smart choice. It helps control blood sugar levels and reduces insulin resistance. The healthy fats in olive oil improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to regulate blood sugar. A study published in the Diabetes Care Journal found that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil significantly reduced the risk of type 2 diabetes. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your diet, you can support better blood sugar control and reduce the risk of developing diabetes, making it a smart choice for overall health management. Number 9. Immune boost. Your immune system is your body's defense against illness, and extra light olive oil can give it a boost. Its rich content of antioxidants and healthy fats supports the immune system by reducing inflammation and fighting off harmful pathogens. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that olive oil's polyphenols can modulate the immune response, leading to improved defense against infections. By incorporating extra light olive oil into your diet, you can strengthen your immune system and better protect your body from illnesses. So, definitely make extra light olive oil a part of your daily routine to strengthen your immune system. Number 10. Versatile use. One of the best things about extra light olive oil is its versatility. Its neutral taste allows it to enhance various dishes without overpowering their natural flavors. Whether you're using it for salad dressings, marinades, or cooking, extra light olive oil blends seamlessly with other ingredients. This makes it a perfect choice for a wide range of culinary applications, adding a subtle richness to your meals while letting the main flavors shine through. Its versatility ensures that you can use it in almost any recipe, making it a staple in any kitchen. We've explored some fascinating insights today. Extra light olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From heart health and weight management to glowing skin and a strong immune system, this simple addition to your diet can lead to a healthier lifestyle. So, why not start today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Premium Health Harbor for more tips on living your best life. Comment below and tell us, Do you think extra light olive oil is better than other cooking oils? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more exciting health tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and take care.